Illinois reaching a record number of people hospitalized with COVID-19.
Today, Governor Pritzker laying out a plan to ensure the state's healthcare system doesn't collapse under the burden of COVID. WGN's Mike Lowe live at the Thompson Center tonight, where the governor spoke this afternoon. Mike?
Ray and Micah, good evening. The Omicron variant of the virus is infecting people and sending them to the hospital in record numbers. And today, the state's top doctor says it's unclear whether this is the peak of the Omicron wave.
We have never had this many COVID patients in the hospital.
As of today, there are 7,100 people across the state of Illinois hospitalized with COVID-19. That number is higher than at any time since the beginning of the pandemic in March of 2020, according to Illinois Department of Public Health Director Dr. Ngozi Ezike.
Unfortunately, right now, today, the hospitals are bearing the brunt. 9% of hospital ICU beds are available in Illinois right now.
That means less than 10% of intensive care beds are open for anyone with a serious health problem, like a heart attack, stroke, burst appendix, or a car accident.
But as difficult as this moment is, there will be an end to it.
Governor J.B. Pritzker sought to ease fears by outlining the state's response to the burden on the healthcare system. The governor announced extra hospital help in the form of more than 2,000 healthcare workers deployed across Illinois. More than 900 will be supporting hospitals statewide hit hardest by COVID, and more than 550 will arrive by next Friday.
With unprecedented numbers of patients being hospitalized, we must do all that we can to keep our healthcare workers and institutions operating and available to all who need medical assistance. It's the most transmissible variant yet seen, and it has the potential to overwhelm healthcare across the nation. This current wave of COVID is causing more people to get sick than ever before in the pandemic.
Dr. Ezike says 80% of those hospitalized are unvaccinated. Someone who's not vaccinated is 11 times more likely to be hospitalized with COVID than someone who is vaccinated and boosted. And she ended her remarks with a plea for the unvaccinated to get their shots as soon as possible, so there's no more unnecessary strain on the healthcare system.
We need to get vaccinated. We need to turn vaccines into vaccinations. We need to get boosted. We need to continue masking, continue testing. We should come together and do what's right for our greater good.
And on the point of the effectiveness of vaccinations, Dr. Ezike said that less than 0.1% of people who have been vaccinated actually end up in the hospital. So while the vaccine doesn't guarantee that you won't be infected, it certainly does help quite a bit in keeping you out of the hospital. Reporting live tonight outside of the Thompson Center, Mike Lowe, WGN News.